Meaning of iced.
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 Iced. The term ice typically means something that has been cooled or chilled by being placed on, inside, or beside ice. This can refer to drinks, such as iced tea or iced coffee, or even certain foods that are served cold, like ice cream or sorbet. When an item is iced, it generally becomes refreshing and soothing to consume, particularly during hot weather or after physical activity. The cooling effect of ice can also help to slow the melting process of beverages, which can be beneficial for those who prefer their drinks to stay cold for longer periods.